Welcome to WollyCode. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for updates. Like the video. In today's video, we'll be installing Visual Studio 2022 on Windows. Let's get started. Search Visual Studio on Google. Click the first link. You'll see the Download Visual Studio button. Below that, you'll find both Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. If you want to install Visual Studio Code, hover over it and choose the Windows installer. For this video, we'll focus on installing Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2022 comes in 3 editions. Community, free and great for individual developers, students. Professional, designed for small teams with advanced features. Enterprise, for large-scale development with enterprise-level tools. You can see the comparison, or click the provided link in description to see more details. Let's download the free edition. Click Community 2022 to start the download. And there you go, your download has started. Once Visual Studio is downloaded, open it. Click Continue. Now, in the Workloads. These are predefined tool sets that help you set up the right tools for your projects. You can pick the ones you need depending on what you're working on. Web and Cloud. You can select web development for building web applications or cloud-based projects, if needed. Desktop and Mobile. Select .NET Desktop Development if you're creating desktop applications. For game development, especially with Unity, select Game Development with Unity. If you're building games for iOS, also select Game Development with C++. Other tool sets. You'll also find specialized tools for different tasks, which you can add if needed. Next, if you want to change the location, click here. Or, click Installation Locations in top. Set your preferred folder here. For different languages, click on Language Packs and select the ones you need. You'll also see 2 installation options. Install while downloading to start installing immediately. Or, download all, then install. Now, click on Install. The process will take some time, depending on your internet speed. Visual Studio Community 2022 has been successfully installed. Click Launch to open Visual Studio. You'll be prompted to sign in. You can log in with your Microsoft account, create a new one, or skip this step for now. I'll click Skip for now. Next, select your development settings. You can choose from options like C#, C++, or Web. I'll leave it on General. Then, choose a theme color. Pick the one you prefer. I'll go with Dark. Click Start Visual Studio. It might take a few minutes to load since this is the first time it's starting. Once Visual Studio opens, you'll see recent projects on the left and options to open or create a new project on the right. Let's create a new project. Select a template. Let's choose the Console App template and click Next. Enter a project name. I'll name it App 1. You can change the project location if needed, but I'll leave it as is. Keep the other settings as default and click Next. For the framework, we'll stick with the default option. Click Create. Your project is now ready to go. That's it for this tutorial on how to install Visual Studio 2022. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel WollyCode, and turn on the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.